Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on weekly screen time updates on your account on TikTok. On notification settings, easy and quick. First click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy. Now click notifications, and here as you see you will find weekly screen time update. Just click like this and it will be turned on, and that's how to turn on weekly screen time updates on your account on TikTok. On notification settings, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.